and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, aka Shade is back. I know we've been gone for a minute. Had to take a little vacay, you know, YouTube can get a little exhausting for those of you who do this every single day like our team does. So definitely happy to be back in the studio doing my Supreme lookbook for week 16. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to smash that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up at the end. Also, feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have on this week's lookbook down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out, and I mean a ton of heat. If you guessed on my Instagram story, X amount of videos that will be pumped out. That's right. I don't know, maybe 13, maybe 14, maybe 16 after today. I have no clue, but it is definitely in the teen number count. So definitely hit those notifications because you're going to want to know as soon as we upload a video. Also, be sure to check out those membership tiers. We've got some great perks on there as well as an amazing merch store. All right, so we are going to be getting into it. This is a lookbook Thursday. I know it's going to be a late one, but I love all my late nighters who are out here with me, hanging out, going through a little fashion show for what has dropped in stores for Supreme. This is and has been a much anticipated drop. That's right, the Emilio Pucci collaboration with Supreme happened today, and there was a lot of hectic, I think, emotions going on this morning, and it had to do with that little circle that we had to go around with. Probably screwed up every single bot out there because I definitely know that they were not expecting to have to actually do a full circle to complete that red dot before they were able to actually add an item to the cart. So I know that this was probably a better day for the manual goers out there. So I hope you guys were all able to cop a piece online. Unlike myself, I took a fat L online, but we got some pieces in store. So we're going to be going through the items that I copped in store, showing you a little detailed shots on each of those items. Then we're going to follow it up with sellout times in the US. It's not actually going to be times because they actually just have a number order. Obviously, there were some issues probably getting those number times because of that new circle addition that they added to the website. Then we're going to talk about how these items are doing on the resale market. So let's jump into some of the pieces that I was able to cop today. Starting with the shirt I'm wearing, I mean, might as well. This was by far one of the top sellers of today, and this was the much anticipated box logo tee with the Emilio Pucci. This is actually one of the OG prints, and I'm just obsessed with it. We've got the beautiful blue and kind of royal blue texture here going on with some teals and purples. In my opinion, this was my favorite color scheme of all the patterns. There was also a black and white and kind of grayish colored pattern, and then obviously the pink pattern that everybody loved so much. Out of the three, this was by far my favorite, and I really wanted it to get printed on a black tee just because I think that it pops the most. This was also offered in a gray and a white option. I do think that the black, though, really makes that kind of vibrant box logo just pop and makes it more dramatic. But this was going for $54. Let's jump into our next piece. What should we start with? Actually, you know what? Before I was even gonna get started, I forgot to tell you guys about the other week and what I copped. I copped one of the Supreme umbrellas because I break umbrellas literally like every other week. It's no joke. This is, I'm not even gonna open this indoors because it's bad luck, right? To open an umbrella indoors, is that bad luck? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's bad luck. So we're just gonna wrap it. But I got the kind of pastel colored version, and it's got all the different locations and streets on here in New York. This is just such a fire pattern, and it's so unique and so different. It's actually really quality. The grip on here is amazing. I feel like this is definitely going to stand, you know, a longer length of time. Fingers crossed it's not going to break from the wind out here. The wind's pretty brutal around the city sometimes, so I am known to have a graveyard of umbrellas, but I do like that they also gave you the added little bag here. And I'm kind of, again, just obsessed with this colorway. I think this is going to be a great umbrella for the summertime when we have those rain showers, which kept me from coming back home. For those of you who don't know, I had a canceled flight coming back from Florida, and they basically almost sold out of all the flights the next day. I grabbed the last seat, and that plane was delayed for another like 8 hours. So I got back home at like 4 in the morning, and yeah, so it's been quite the day, and I'm just happy to finally be back in New York with my handy dandy umbrella. But now there's no storm, so we're gonna have to wait till the next storm to use this. Take a video for you guys when I do that. All right, let's get into the other items. Let's start with the spray can. So I got the spray can set. It has all these 6 different colors. As you guys saw in the beginning, I actually did a little art project for you to show you what the spray cans look like. Really easy to use. I love how small they are. It's much easier than like a larger size spray can. Not that I'm a graffiti artist by any means, but I did, you know, like a little Supreme times shade art piece. So I will sell this to you guys. Auction starting at $2. So for anybody who wants to receive a Supreme times shade art piece, this will be worth so much money one day. So let me know in the comments if you're interested in purchasing this lovely cardboard box. And for an additional price point, I will spray paint the back side for you as well.
Go on.
But definitely let me know. It smells amazing. It smells like chemicals. All right. Moving on to the next piece. Oh yeah, it comes in this great box, by the way. Montana cans. Really, really cool. Fan of that box. Nice getaway if you're, you know, illegally graffitiing some walls. You can run away pretty quick with this bad boy stuff. Highly recommend if you're a graffiti artist. All right, so next up, I got the Emilio Pucci belt. I really wanted it to match actually with these 2 colors, but they only had the pink left, which I'm not hating on. I think this is actually a really cool belt. Again, it's got that signature pattern going on there, and I just love this. I got this in a size small medium. They only have 2 different size options, so I was a little worried. With my high-waisted pants, this is a little bit too big, but on low-waisted pants, this actually fits me perfectly. I am like a size 25, 26 waist for those of you guys who are wondering the size and fit on this. And I do use the last hole on there. So definitely just barely makes it, but I do fit this belt quite nicely, and it is good quality leather. We've got the Supreme on the tip there. So I just want to show you that nice detail going on there. We've got the nice Supreme on the inside, and on the back, we've got the Emilio Pucci. This belt, literally, if it was not a Supreme collab, let me tell you, this would be a very, very expensive belt. So definitely made it more affordable for those of you who know the brand. Emilio Pucci is quite expensive. So this would probably have ran you like $500 or something like that. So this was kind of a steal. All right. Next up, we have the Zippo lighter. Let's see, open this up. I do have my Zippo lighter in just red, but this is just so unique. It's like an art piece. So it definitely comes in that same Zippo lighter box that we're used to seeing. But look at that. Oh, and it matches my outfits. I'm obsessed with them. So perfect. Definitely high quality grade Zippo lighter. So I am excited to just have this in my collection. This is like a piece of art, so can't go wrong with that. High quality Zippo all around. And last but not least, my favorite piece that I actually copped was the soccer jersey. The only thing I'm bummed about is I did want a pair of shorts to match it, but I wasn't able to get it, so I'm happy enough with just this though. I really love this. I, you know, styled it with a cute little tennis skirt. I think this is a lot easier to style than just the shorts by themselves, but nice pop of color. This is just so vibrant and so unique, so I'm really obsessed with it. We've got little slight details of, you know, both logo prints all throughout, and we've got that nice big Supreme print on the front, but the colors on this are just so beautiful, so pretty. And this is just high quality. And for those of you wondering the size on this, this is a size medium, and my t-shirt is a size small. So those were my pickups for today. Let me know what you guys were able to cop down below. We're gonna go quickly through some of the sellout times. The box logo tees went the fastest. Obviously, size small is that unicorn, and that's why smalls and larges tend to go, XLs tend to go the quickest. But definitely the small pink and followed by the gray pink, and then the blue colorway went in all size smalls. Followed by this one was number 5, and then the dusty pink soccer jersey went pretty fast. I feel like the dusty pink was a more popular color, though I think this beats the pink in my personal opinion, just my personal opinion, but I'm obsessed with the blue and the greens in this color scheme. But yeah, looks like the tees were pretty much stealing the show today. Obviously for a great price point of $54, that's a no-brainer, but mainly tees that went the quickest. All right, so now let's get into resale. So the box logo tee retailed at $54, and depending on color and size, obviously, they're all going for around $200 and up. I would say that the black colorway is doing the best and white is doing the worst. And size small and XL, of course, are doing the best as well on that resale price point. Then we've got the Supreme Emilio Pucci soccer jersey that I have here in this colorway. So the blue and pink are doing the best. Those are going $185 and up, and that jersey retailed for $145 or $148. Then we have the belt, which retailed at $168. That's going for $250 to $300. And the Zippo, which went for $58, is going for $75. All right, you guys. Thank you so much again for tuning in to one of my lookbooks. Again, if you are new to the channel and this is your first time watching one of my videos, be sure to smash that subscribe button, give this video a like if you haven't done so already. Also, leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have so much heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out those membership perks and our merch store. All right, until next time, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. It feels good to be back and can't wait to be pumping out content for you guys left and right. So catch you on the next episode.